Good Saturday, YouTubers. Um, Welcome to my channel. My name's Willie, and today I have another Saturday tool review. So, today I am doing a review on my CT8850G half-inch electric snap-on impact. I bought it used off the gear wrench truck. I actually have one that I will be showing in a later video that I bought that I use at work. This one here is primarily for home. That's why I bought it. It really helps when you go to places like LKQ or you're just doing general work. I mean, you can put on car tires with it or take them off. Or if you have it in your truck, you can take off your wheel real fast when you have a blown out tire. It came with 2 batteries and a charger. The charger is red. They're model CTB8185Gs is the model number, and they're 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. They got this really nice feature where it's got a push button here. You can push on them and you can see your charge level. On my other video where I have my 3/8 impact, I showed a charging unit for that. This here is the charging unit. Charging unit slash power unit for this battery. So this is why I wanted this for home, was because this here, it's not enough to power a TV, but it can keep all sorts of other accessories charged. It's got the it's got a USB port and on switch, off switch. It's got a fuse back, and it just couples with these batteries. And then you can turn it on. This here is a CT18850. It's got an output of 120 volts, and it's got a USB output of 5 volts. There are a lot of things it can't power. There are limitations to it, but it in a power outage has kept my computer, which has plenty of entertaining things on it, and my tablet's charged. So there's that. So overall, as far as the tool itself goes, I would give this half-inch impact 4 out of 5 stars. I say 4 out of 5 because my one that I had at work I used all the time, and when you're using it all the time, it wore out quite quickly. And then it had a rebuild. I've heard rumors of people having a lot of issues with these, but I've actually had great luck with both of my half-inch impacts and my power unit here. So I would recommend it for the person who wants to work on their stuff at home or frequent scrap yards like I do. There you go. So 4 out of 5 for the CT8850G. Okay, have a good Saturday and rest of your week. Willie out.